In this video, I'll show you how to install or update your nVidia GPU drivers on Windows. By default, Windows comes with a driver for your GPU, but it's often an older version. For example, on this computer, the install driver is from 2021. nVidia frequently releases new drivers that introduce new features, optimize performance for existing and newly released games, and ensure your GPU runs smoothly. To get the latest drivers, head to nVidia's driver download page. You have two options: download and install the driver automatically. Download and install the driver manually. For this example, I'll demonstrate how to install the driver manually. First, fill out the drop-down fields on the nVidia download page to match your graphics card. Be sure to select whether you're using a desktop or notebook GPU in the product series section. nVidia offers two types of drivers: game-ready drivers, best for gaming performance. Think of this like an insider build of Windows with cutting-edge optimizations. Studio drivers, designed for creative professionals, offering more stability and consistency, ideal for tasks like video editing or game development. Once you've made your selections, download the driver, install it, and your GPU will be ready with the latest features and optimizations. The driver installation process only takes a few minutes, so be patient. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.